On the southwestern coast of Sicily lies Sciacca, a city where the sea meets tradition, color, and everyday life. From above, Sciacca reveals a vibrant landscape, houses painted in warm tones cascading down toward the harbor, creating a perfect connection between land and water. The port is the beating heart of the city, where fishing boats rest and return, carrying with them the rhythm of the Mediterranean. Here, life is still deeply tied to the sea, shaped by centuries of tradition. Above the harbor, the historic center unfolds in a maze of narrow streets, balconies, and small squares, where colors, textures, and daily life blend into a unique atmosphere. From the sky, the contrast is striking. The deep blue sea, the colorful houses, and the soft hills that surround the city. There is a sense of authenticity here, a feeling that time moves differently, guided by the sun, the wind, and the sea. Sciacca, where the sea brings life and color tells the story of Sicily.